Did you know you may utilize other people's videos to make your own video without receiving a copyright strike or claim? With Creative Commons videos, this is possible. Today, you'll learn about Creative Commons videos, how to discover them, and how to utilize them in your films without getting a copyright strike. What is Creative Commons? Creative Commons is a non-profit organization dedicated to assisting artists in sharing their work without sacrificing their copyright. Similarly, they wish to assist other artists in using original content without fear of being prosecuted for copyright violation. What are Creative Commons videos? Creative Commons licenses provide a common mechanism for content producers to allow someone else permission to utilize their work. As explained by YouTube, users can add a Creative Commons CC BY license to their YouTube videos. If you use a CC BY license on your video, you keep your copyright and other users can reuse your work as long as they follow the license rules. By affixing a Creative Commons license to your original video, you are providing the whole YouTube community the permission to reuse and alter that video. In essence, you may change and reuse a Creative Commons film on your own. How to use YouTube Creative Commons to make videos. YouTube Creative Commons allows you to easily include creative works into your own videos. All you need is the YouTube video editor and YouTube's extensive collection of Creative Commons content. You may select which videos to modify and then include into your own creations from there. How can you use a Creative Commons video without copyright strike? You are free to copy and redistribute the work in any media or format if you utilize a CC BY license. Material may be remixed, transformed, and built on for any purpose, even commercial ones. It states that the licensor, the individual who developed the Creative Commons video, cannot withdraw these liberties if the license conditions are followed. According to the requirements, you must give due credit, offer a link to the license, and identify whether or not any changes were made. Here's something you should remember. A person may download a copyrighted video and then convert it to a Creative Commons video in order to utilize it commercially. As a result, before using a Creative Commons video in your film, be sure to identify the original copyright owners and credit them in the video description. Claim your free trademark cheat sheet by scrolling down into the description below. Did you enjoy the video? Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.